Hi Shoebox Friends! April showers are bringing May flowers, and for this May filler challenge, I'm focusing on items that help girls feel valued, confident, and cared for. Simple things that can really help young girls thrive. But before we jump into this month's challenge, let's take a look back at the excellent fillers you packed for April's Surprise Egg Challenge. Seeing all of these surprise egg fillers was so encouraging. You can really see the thought and love behind each one. Not only are they perfect for adding something extra fun to a shoebox, they'll bring so much joy to the children. Thank you all for sharing your creativity and being part of this challenge, and for helping to complete shoeboxes that might need a little extra love at the processing centers. Let's see what this May challenge is all about. So here are all the items that I'll be using today in my girl filler packs. Some of these are basic essential items to help the girls feel cared for and to have dignity. Some of them will help them go to school. So I'll be putting these packs together from simple to a little bit more elaborate. There's 3 different styles that I'll show you today, and hopefully it'll give you some ideas of some maybe more unique filler to send to the processing center that should still bless a lot of girls. I did print out these labels from the Facebook group OCC Shoebox Packers. I love them, they're adorable, and I think they work perfectly for some of these filler packs. The 2 to 4-year-old labels do have 2 different designs here, a unicorn and a little duck, so really sweet. And you can find these on the Facebook group under files. So they are called labels, and there's also ones for boys. Very cute, and I use them a lot with my fillers. All of these filler packs today will have underwear in them, and I've been finding some great deals over the past few months on different packs of underwear for the girls. You can definitely send boys underwear, and that's a blessing in the boys' shoeboxes as well, but I'm focusing more on the girls for this filler challenge and just helping them to be confident and to be cared for with their essential items that they need. Some of these packs, like this here, Encanto style, I found last year at the Dollar Tree. I think it was still only $1.25 when I got these, and it had 7 briefs in each pack. I still have some left over. I sent these in my younger girl shoeboxes last season, so I'm going to use the rest up today. And then most of these other packs were under $5 for the briefs. I think these ones here were $5 on sale, and these ones here were less than $5. So 50 cents and under for a pair of underwear, which is a pretty good deal. I arranged them in size from smallest to largest. So some of the sizes I have a lot more of, and I'm going to start out with some super simple underwear essential packs. And I do have a lot of size 6 as well as size 10 and more of the size 14 in the older sizes. So I'm going to take some of the sizes that I have more of and put together some smaller underwear packs. Again, these are simple, but should be a blessing in shoeboxes that need something more in them. So this is just a 4x4-inch bag. I use these for my crayons. They work really well to hold about 12 crayons inside. And I still have quite a few here, so I'm going to use what I have and put together underwear packs here, and they have 1 pair of underwear. And I'm going to try to include jewelry of some sort in each of the packs to show the girls that they're loved and valued. So these will get a little cross necklace as well. And I'll use the labels to specify what age range the size of the underwear will best fit. So I'm going to send on the larger end. So my size 6s I'll put for the 2 to 4s, and my size 10s I'll put for the 5 to 9s, and my size 14s I'll put for the 10 to 14-year-olds. I do use these in my own shoeboxes as well, just to have a nice presentation for the underwear if I am sending underwear, and it just is easy to fit into a shoebox. So these are some packs I did last year. I think the bag was a little bit bigger because I could fit 2 pair of rolled up underwear easier, and it was a Ziploc type bag. So I just found for these self-sealing bags that I had, 1 pair was fitting more nicely. But you can also send 2 pairs if you'd like, and they're great for your own shoe boxes or to send in as filler. So this will be my first filler pack for the May challenge. Super simple, essential underwear packs. All right, I did about 23 of these underwear packs with the cross necklaces. So they're just a smaller filler. And even if you just have 1 pack of underwear that you find on sale, you could divide that up into about 10 little filler packs. So don't feel like you have to send a lot of filler to make a difference. Every little bit that you send to the processing centers will help bless shoe boxes that come through with items that need to be removed that are on the do not send list, or they might be just sparsely filled. So I'm going to move on to my next girl filler idea. For my next filler pack to help girls thrive, this is a little bit more elaborate of an essential pack. I'm using these little plastic bags with the zip closure up here. I found these on Amazon. It says "You are awesome," which I love that. And I have a whole bunch, so I need to use some of these up, trying to use what I have on hand for these filler items. But I'm going to package up some bigger essential packs here, and they include 2 pair of underwear. Plus I have these wider tooth combs, which are a really nice quality. I also got these on Amazon, so I can put some links in the description below if you'd like to get these as well. And then I included a clay bead bracelet in the pack as something pretty and just something nice for the girl to wear. So that'll be the main part, and I also have a washcloth on the other side there. And these also came from Amazon. They're a double-sided, so different colors on each side washcloth, and they're really pretty with the beveled edges. For the older girls, I forgot to add, I do have some reusable washable pads here. And that's not something I always include in my older girl boxes because they can be a little bit expensive, but it is definitely something valuable and can actually help girls stay in school when they're on their monthly period. In some parts of the world, if you don't have adequate supplies, the girls can't attend school during that time. So my older packs, the 10 to 14-year-olds, will also be getting 2 of these reusable pads for their essential packs. For the older girls, I'll also include these picture instructions I found on sweetteadaily.com for how to take care and wash the reusable pads. So based on the number of bracelets I have here, I'm going to try to do about 5 packs for each age group, and I'm going to have 2 different size underwear in each pack. So the 2 to 4s will have a size 4 pair and a size 6 pair. My 5 to 9-year-olds will have a size 8 and a size 10. And then my older girls will have a size 12 and a size 16. So that's kind of how I'm breaking it down. The reusable pads, I got these on Amazon, and they are a 6-pack. Plus they come with a little wet bag to store the pads. So total it's 7 pieces for about $10. I think I paid $9.69. So around $1.40 a piece. which isn't too bad. So if you're adding a couple pads into your shoe boxes or filler, it's around $3 to add 2 pads. I think you can find them cheaper sometimes if you look elsewhere. I got these on Amazon, but comment below if you have a better way of finding a little bit more affordable pads for the older girls. All right, that took a little bit of time, but I got 5 per age group of these a little bit more elaborate underwear filler packs put together, and they came out really cute. The 2 to 4-year-olds were a little less bulky just because they have smaller underwear sizes and a little bit less in them. So I was able to add a toothbrush in as well. And then here's my 5 to 9 packs. And my 10 to 14 packs were a little bit more bulky with the extra pads in there. So they ended up getting a couple pair of underwear. I didn't include the washcloth since it was already a bit bulky. They still got a nice bracelet with a cross on there and the larger comb and 2 of the reusable pads. So I do like how these all came out, and I think they'll be great for the processing center. You could also pack these for your own shoe boxes or even for packing parties. I think these would be great little underwear packets to have at the end where people are filling in any spaces in their boxes. So hopefully this gives you some ideas, and I have one more, which is probably my favorite, to show you, which is a little bit more of a wow. My last filler idea is my wow dress pack. I already put one together here in this organza bag, and each of these packs will have a dress for the girls, as well as a bracelet and a hair bow. This is a headband that Sarah at Gilkey's Limited Adventures often features. So thank you, Sarah, for showing us these headbands. They are awesome, and I'm really glad I ordered some. They are perfect for this project and really add a nice touch to the dress packs. So dresses are one way for girls to feel loved and cherished. Also can be a sense of protection for the girls. They are seen as taken care of and are less vulnerable. These dresses here that I'll be using today came from a ministry called Sewing for Jesus. I'll put some of the information in the description below, but it's a ministry where all of these dresses are made and you can exchange items for them. So for instance, I sent a package of plush items and coloring books and different things that I had extra of, and they sent me dresses back. So it's a great way to exchange items and just such a lovely ministry. So thank you to Bev Brees and the Sewing for Jesus ministry for all that you're doing to get dresses into the shoe boxes for little girls. And these are size 2 to 4 and 5 to 9, but you can also get 10 to 14 sizes. And the bracelets were actually a gift that I just received this past weekend from a little boy in my church. He made these bracelets for me. He knows I do shoe boxes. And it was such a perfect timing. I feel like the Lord orchestrated it because I knew I was going to be filming these dress packs and wanted to include jewelry with them. And it's also amazing to see that even like these designs here, this yellow butterfly bracelet goes perfectly with this fabric here. And I didn't know ahead of time. You don't really get to choose what fabric you get. So all of these were a surprise. And it's just amazing how well the jewelry is matching up with some of the dresses. Even this pack I already did had this cute little smiley face patch on the pocket, and the little boy made me this smiley face bracelet. So God is good, and he is matching up these dresses and bracelets for me. So these dress packs will also have bloomers and a pair of underwear to go along with the dress and the jewelry and headband. You can also just use dresses that you find on clearance in the stores. But since I had these already with me, I'm going to use these special handmade ones today. And they are beautiful. Look at all the different prints. I love this one on the bottom with the red frill on the hem there. And here's all the dresses with the accessories. I tried to match up the hair bows with the different patterns, but I think they'll be really pretty. And there'll be 6 5 to 9-year-old packs and 4 2 to 4-year-old packs. This little bear one here matched really well. Again, the little teddy bear bracelet with the little bear sleeping there on the pocket. So really sweet. Here are my 10 finished wow filler packs for girls. I love how these dress packs turned out with the beautiful dresses and all the accessories. Altogether, there are about 48 finished filler packs. These are just some, hopefully, starting points, but there's a lot of other items you could include in these girl packs to help them feel seen and loved and to give them confidence. But these are just some ideas to hopefully get you started for this filler challenge. Comment below what your favorite filler pack was here today, and I'd love to see your ideas. You can show them on the Facebook groups online or send them to my email and I will feature them in next month's filler video. I'll put my email in the description. If you enjoy content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next week, happy packing. God bless. Bye.